Hello guys, in this video I will be sharing a Eid makeup tutorial, so please do watch the complete video. In the first step I would be using a face primer. Mine is a Smashbox. Just spray it on your face. Let the primer dry up naturally. Now you can see the primer has settled into my skin. Now my next step would be to apply a moisturizer, and I am using Color Bar Spotlight Illuminating Lotion. Take a very good amount of moisturizer. Now massage it very lightly into your skin. I have massaged the whole moisturizer onto my skin and covering my neck area also. Now my next step would be to apply a corrector. It is an orange color, and this corrector helps you to get rid of those pimple marks, the darkness if there is any onto your lips or the under eye area. The corrector I am using it's from K Beauty. Simply dab the corrector into your skin using a sponge brush or a concealer brush, or with your hands fingertips also. Just press it, just dab motion, and it will easily settle into your skin. Now I will be applying foundation. In my case I am using a Rimmel foundation. I will blend the foundation into my skin. It can be done with the help of a sponge, a foundation brush. Never leave your neck without foundation if you are wearing a very high makeup. What happens is your neck and the face color shines very differently. Now my next step would be to apply a setting powder. You can take any setting powder, but in my case I am taking a highlighting setting powder. It is from brand Mua Lux. This is how the setting powder looks like. It has fine granules of white gold in it and a shimmer to add to your face. You can go with any of the setting powders. You can see the glow it has left on my face because of that white gold particles in it. I usually prefer this powder when I'm doing a very good heavy party makeup. Now as I have fixed all my foundation along with the powder, now here's the concealer. It is from Makeup Revolution and my shade is C6. Always try to blend the product into your skin. Just press, dab, and it will easily blend into your skin. Don't try to wipe it off. I'm again using this setting powder, but this time I'm not using this highlighted one but the translucent one. I really like this product because I'm getting too compact in the same packaging. In my next step I would be contouring my face using a Bahama Mama, the balm. I really like this bronzer from the balm. Now I will slightly pull it around my cheeks and then around my jawline. You can see how natural and pigmented this product is. Now I will just do a little contour part on my nose. Now my contour is complete. Now we'll be doing a blush part on my face. I'm using this e.l.f. monochromatic multi-stick. This is how it looks like, and guys, it is a multi-purpose stick. You can use it as an eyeshadow, a lip color and a cheek tint. So what I will be doing, I will be pressing it onto the upper area of my cheeks this way. Now I will be smudging it out onto my cheeks. How easily it has blended into my skin. Without this brush only, I will just put a product, some on my nose, some on my forehead and some on my cheeks. Now I will be doing my eyes. Again I'm using the concealer from Makeup Revolution in this shade C6. With my concealer brush I am pressing the product into my eyes completely so that a good base is set up for your eyeshadow game. For the brushes part, guys, I am using a pack brush 219. Now again some setting powder from Moa Lux only, the same thing that I've used earlier. Just edits it. Now I will be using a Patricia Bright makeup palette from Makeup Revolution. I really see the color theme of the palette, how beautiful all the colors are, and it has a mirror in it. My Eid outfit color is green and golden, so I am taking my base color as the green, and it is Trendsetter. Like this. Again, this is a Pro Arte brush PE, and it is a blending brush. I am doing, always go round and round, guys, for the good finish. I am just blending it out. The same thing I will be doing in my right eye, and I will be back. Now I have put the color on both of my eyes. Now I will be doing a little bit of a cut crease from the inner to the mid of my eyes, and I am using a Pro Arte PE28 brush and the Makeup Revolution concealer. As I have applied the concealer, now I will be applying a liquid eyeshadow. It is from ELF in the shade Dirty Martini. You can apply it directly with this brush. Just place product on your eyelid, and then I'll smudge it out with my finger. Oh, I'm smudging product with my fingers. Now for the finishing part, I'm again using a brush to pass the product. Now I have placed the product, the eyeshadow, on my eyelids. Now wait for 2 or 3 minutes, guys. Let it settle out and dry out. Now you can see it has dried up. I'm doing the same thing with my this eye and coming back. Now as you all can see, I have done both of my eyes, and again I will be now blending out my eyeshadow. Again I am blending out the product. I will be adding some glitters to my eyes because it's the occasion of Eid and it should look very vibrant. So this is the Sephora palette. It has all the glitters in it. The shade I'm going to pick is a little golden sparkle here. Before picking the glitter from that palette, what I will be doing, I will be wetting up my brush with this makeup setting spray, so it will easily place the product onto your lids and it will easily pick the product from the palette. So here I am picking this product. So you can see how well it has picked the product and placed it on my lids. Let it dry for 1 or 2 minutes. Do not again open and close your eyes. Now the same step I am going to do for my other eye, and now you can see I have done both of my eyes, and I am now allowing it to settle it so that it does not smudge off or fall out. Now I am taking a Manish Malhotra palette, and I will be taking this color to highlight the inner corners. I have just highlighted my inner corners. In the same way, I'm going to do it for this eye also. I would be applying the same color under my eyebrows. I have applied it to the both of my eyelids, and I'm going to blend it, guys. Just always remember, do blend out. Now I would be applying the L'Oreal Paris Meshy Black Liner. Now I will be smudging that same color Trendsetter onto my lower lash line. I have smudged the little green color onto my lower eyelids. Then again the color which I have used to highlight the upper point zone, I am going to smudge it on my lower lash. Now you can see my eyes are done. It is a Maybelline Color Sensational Lip. Its number is 145 Very Cherry. Now after applying lip liner, I will be applying a lipstick. It's a liquid lipstick from Lime Crime in the shade Red Velvet. Now you can see I have applied the lipstick. Now I will be applying a gloss on it. It is a Rimmel Oh My Gloss. It's in the shade Ooh La La 05. Now I will be applying the Balm highlighter. It's a liquid highlighter. I'll be taking little bit on my fingers and then applying it. Then applying it some onto my nose. Finally some above my cupid brows. I'll be doing my eyebrows. It's a Wet n Wild product in the shade Ash Brown. With the help of this spoolie, I'm just brushing it out. I'm using this shade. So now you can see my eyes are ready. Finally, I will be applying the false eyelashes. It is from Pink Line brand and I will be using the glue from Miss Claire. Now I've applied my eyelashes. Lastly guys, as I've done with my makeup, I'm going to spray the makeup setting spray onto my skin. Smashbox water primer. Just place your hand on your eye and just spray it. And let it dry now. As I've done with my makeup, I'm just grabbing my Eid outfit. I will be back. Hi guys, I'm back and I have changed my outfit. This is the complete dress that I have selected for the occasion of Eid. So guys, now I have my jewelry also and here's my complete look. Hope you like my makeup video and the complete Eid makeover. And please don't forget to subscribe my Insta channel. It's by the name Beauty Bay. I am mentioning all the details of the products that I have used to create this look in the description box. My Insta ID is also mentioned in the description box. It's by the name Beauty Bay 22. Please guys do follow me on Instagram and please do like, comment, share and subscribe.